Hello teachers, today I am going to discuss intermediate level class 110 project solution, memory sequence game. Goal of the project: in class 110 you learned how to write the code for the winning condition of the game. You also learned how to use the get and set generic blocks that can be used for checking the winning condition. In this project, you will have to practice and apply what you have learned in the class and create a game called Memory Sequence. Always encourage your students to read the story that is given in the document for a better understanding. Now, like the story here says, Jill loves gaming and creating games. She's learning a lot of new things in her coding classes. Using the knowledge from her coding classes, she wants to create a memory sequence game. She has already completed the design but is stuck with the code. Can you help her using your super coding skills? Okay, now to start the project, students are supposed to click on the project template and then they will have to log in with their respective credentials. Further, they are going to remix the application, rename the project as project 110 and can begin coding. Now here there are some of the images that have already been given in the design. Okay, like it says, given below is the sequence of the task images which will be provided to the player for 5 seconds. The player has to click on the task accordingly to the correct sequence to win the game. Okay. Again, the design has already been done for us, so students can always check the design here, can also click on the live test option to check the design. Now it is asking us what we can go ahead and add as for coding. So the first thing it is saying is to declare a list variable named tasks and initialize it with a list block having the following items. So here it has been already declared with the list of the items. Now it is asking to declare one variable named counter and initialize it to 1. Now this variable is for player's step count. So counter is here with the value 1. Further, you have to declare two variables named shuffled and flag and initialize them to 0. The shuffled variable is for storing a shuffled list and the flag variable is for the score of the player. So shuffled and flag. Now, it is talking about the button play event, that when button play is clicked. So we are going to set the column plays visibility to false and column answers visibility to true. So that's what we have done here. Further, we are going to set the app variable shuffle to the shuffle of variable tasks. So the shuffle code block, you will find it in the list section. So here we have to set the app variable shuffled with the task. Further, it is asking us to add a for loop ranging between 1 to 6 by a count by 1. So for loop, again go to the control section. The count with loop is the for loop that we are going to use. And now it is asking us to set the image plus I, the picture of the image present at item I of the list app shuffled. So wherever it is asking us to refer to the hint, please tell your students that they should refer to the hint as it is really helpful to understand how you have to write the code. So we have done this as per the hint. Now it says it says add a wait block of 5 seconds. So my wait block of 5 seconds, which is in the control section, this one. Then we have to add another for loop with the same range and same count by value and set the button plus I visibility to true. So it's right here. This is my for loop with the same ranging values and the count by, and then we have set the visibility for the button plus I to true and the image plus I's visibility will go false. Once this is done, you're going to create the function check answer with the parameter answer. So this is your function check answer, and here is your parameter answer. Now it says the answer parameter is to get the button number clicked by the player. Now inside the function, what are we supposed to do? We have to set the button plus answers visibility to false and image plus answers visibility to true. So this is done right here. We are also going to change the variable app counter by 1. So there will be an increase, and okay, let's see this. So we have changed the counter by 1. So yeah. Check the following conditions. If the image plus answer picture is present in the position counter of the list task. Now here it is asking us to refer to hint 4. So this is your hint, which would be very helpful to write the code. See, this is your if condition, this is the equal to logic, and how you're going to write the code. Then it says change the variable flag by 1. You have changed the variable flag by 1. Also, we have to check the following conditions: that if the image plus answers picture is present in the position counter of the list task, then we have to change the variable flag by 1 and set label results text to the variable app flag. So we can see it right here. Now, if the variable flag is equal to 6, let's look at this, the if and the else if condition. If the flag is equal to 6, then the visibility of the column answer and the column result, so column answer will be false and the result will be true, and the label results text will show you win, will display the picture as the you win image. Else if it is greater than 6, then the visibility of the answer will be false. The results visibility will be true, same as the if condition. However, the result will display as you lose and the image will be the game over image. So once we have defined the function completely, we are going to create the button click events. So the 6 button click events, again you can refer to your document. There is again a hint of the image that has been given. Okay, and we are going to call the function in the event. So it says pass the respective button number in text as the parameter answer to the function. So here is my button one click event. You can call the function, go to the function section, get the function block, call function block and use it. Yes, so that's what you have to follow. Once all the 6 button click events are complete, that's all the student has to do. They can click on the live test option to check if it is running successfully or not, and they can share the project link either by copying this or by clicking on the share option, generate link, copy this link and submit it in the submission box. Thank you so much.